Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Atif Tech. So today we are going to tell you about an app which is of video editing, and we will give you a demo. Canva app. So here it is, Canva Pro. What's new? Events and offers about this app. Create easily all-in-one app for graphic design, photo editor and video editor. Hashtag 1 free in art and design, photography, photo editor. 4.5-star rating, 10 million reviews, rated for 3 plus, 100 million plus downloads. And here is a video given. This app, I don't know what's this. There is this. Pick some pics, some templates. And here you can add it. Now things data safety. Safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data. Data privacy and security parasites may vary based on your use, region, and age. The developer provided this information and may update it over time. No data shared with third parties. This app may collect these data types: personal info, financial info, and 7 others. Data is encrypted and translated. You can request the data be deleted. Rating and reviews: 4.5-star rating. And here are some reviews about this app. And here, so just check out this app. Just getting open. So you need to sign in.
इन्हें दो हो गई है ना, तीसरी कल्टी दे आ जा इधर। अच्छा कह रहा है दिख रहा है।
Here it is coming and I will sign in. It is trying to sign in. And here's the sign in. Here's the sign in of this app. I have signed in with Google, and you can also sign in with Facebook and many more things. So it's just loading, and here's you will be using Canva for as a student. I'm just like a student. Professional development, high school. I think so. Professional development. Go back, and here we have some other things, and you can also try this for you for things and something other. And your stories, Instagram posts, game, Facebook posts, logos. I'll make a logo. And here you can see what the hell. And Canva to save your design. Here's just loading, and here you can add it. And I think I'm adding this Atif and PECF Atif. And here's the logo ready. And if you want to add the color of the background, so you can add it. I'm adding back red color, or red, good. So if you want to anything else you want to add, you can also add. You can also add elements in this, like graphics, and here is stickers, photos, advertisers, and videos, many more things. And gallery uploads, and here's gallery. I think I'll allow go back. It's my mobile product. If you want to add text, I think so I'm going to add elements for related to tech. If you want to suggest related to tech, and here it gives much more things, and some are from pro, some are from emergence. I'm adding this too here, and a little bit up, and here, and add one more. I like to add this, and add this one here. You can also change the size, add one more, and see all if you want to see technology backgrounds. And here it is visuals, and here we have delete it, I just want it. So technology background, you can also search for these things, and here's the thing that you need. I think this is from pro version, and here it contains a watermark. If you want to remove it, you can also remove. So background, I just Here I just need a background and create it. Yeah, I think so. So add this one. No, this is not adding. So here's the logo ready, and you can download it from here. Download as JPG, and here it's downloaded. Update color theme. Download. Update color theme. Download a free water. Here is downloading it. So go back to this design, and I have saved the gallery. Go back. So my experience with this app is very good. I show you download this app. For more technical videos, subscribe to our channel Atif Tech. Goodbye.